y'all fam? Today we are doing two things. We're first gonna show you our how to make fried Oreos for the holidays, you know, just some simple. And then y'all are gonna see in the next clip after the Oreos dinner. And it wasn't a cooking video, it was just a cooking vlog. Cause I've cooked so many pork chops on here, it's like ridiculous. But waiting on Chaz, come on.
I told you I was on the first of three. I lost.
He always, dang, he beating up the camera. All right, so I'm about to let him mix the batter. Come on. All right, let me. Bay on the beat. No, I'm just playing. Okay, so I already have the oil in here. It's two tablespoons, a cup of flour, an egg, a cup of milk, and not flour, pancake batter, which is right here, Hungry Jack. So all he has to do is just add a cup of milk. This. Literally don't take long. again because I need to start using it or it's never gonna be that, you know, cast iron skillet thing. But how's everybody doing on Vlogmas Day 10? I am doing all right. The kids is ready to eat dinner. Say what up, kids. Chaz is like out of it. It's so boring when he's sleeping. Ugh. I have nothing to do, and then YouTube gets boring, so it's just like, what do I do? Like, I have nothing to do. The kids are just chilling, and I'm just like, ugh. I can't take a nap because I feel like taking a nap is boring, so I'm up by myself doing absolutely nothing. But I'm gonna shake this bag up to get all the flour on here, and then put them on there, and then we'll come back. This is a bittersweet moment. So after today, I am not eating any more pork except for like every blue moon. In order for me to lose weight, I have to sacrifice some things that I adore. Not get rid of everything, but I have to sacrifice some things that I adore. And I really feel like eating pork is something that I need to sacrifice because it's... What's the benefits of pork besides the salt? No benefits at all. The salt is giving me high blood pressure and just, you know, I'm gonna get rid of it. Occasionally, like maybe like every so often, I may have a slice of bacon or a fried pork chop, but you know, me personally, the rest of the family may or may not eat pork. I know Chaz, he doesn't really care for pork, so I may just take this out if nobody misses it. The kids don't really care for pork chops. They don't know what they're eating. They don't really care. They just want to eat. So I just may take it out completely out of our family's diet. But I'm trying to go pescatarian with chicken. I can't give up chicken. I don't care what vegans and vegetarians and pescatarians got to say. I like chicken. I want chicken. This is me. This is what I want to do. So I think I'm just going to be eating chicken and seafood because that's what I want to do. Some people may not agree, but I don't care. This is me. But I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm making the last of these pork chops now to get them out the house so I don't have to worry about them anymore. And then that's it. It's bittersweet because I love fried pork chops with hot sauce, but I just have to make sure I handle my health accordingly. You ready to let go of pork?
Sure.
Oh. Hey everybody, tell Chaz good morning. Or really good evening. 7 o'clock my foot. You've been freaking asleep all day. It's boring. But alright guys, let me go to the next scene. I flipped them over. This camera doesn't do any justice for the actual color of it while they're in the grease, I guess. But they're so pretty and golden. This cast iron skillet is doing its job. Here's some rice. Oh, you can see the rice perfect. Dang, it looks unreal. Dang, this camera get close and personal and make it look everything look whatever I'm trying to say. Everything look good. Why I won't do it for that? I ain't gonna get too close because then my camera's gonna be overheated. But yeah, this is not really a cooking vlog. I'm a cooking video. This is more of a cooking vlog. Just showing y'all as I'm doing my vlog what I'm cooking since I am cooking. But I didn't feel like doing a cooking video because I've done plenty of pork chops on this channel. And if you haven't seen one before, I will make sure I have it up at the top where you can click on that and go watch it and resume this once you're done. There's that color. Yeah. Just taking these out. I have to use this cast iron skillet a lot more because a lot of the stuff is stuck at the bottom of my pan because it's still fairly new. Like, let me get that right there. Don't worry, I'm not scraping in my seasoning knives either. Just kind of scoop some of this up so it ain't sticking and burning. But it's getting better with use. I just don't use it a lot because I don't think about it. Because when you use a cast iron skillet, you literally have to take care of it. And sometimes you want to wash and put up and go, not grease it, dry it, damp it, and all that stuff. But here's the pork chops. And now that's the rice. And now I'm going to do the rest of them. Food's done. There's the rice. There's the pork chops. Here's the corn. You know, simple. And our butter biscuits. Yeah. Yeah, like I said, this wasn't just, it wasn't a cooking video. It was a cooking vlog. And a cooking vlog as in I incorporated cooking into my vlog. But y'all will see there's other things in the vlog. I just said this just because, but alright, I may make this a longer vlog because all my other vlogs are like short. So this may be a longer vlog. I don't know. Y'all figure it out once y'all see the vlog because I'm just going as I go. Or I'm just whatever, yeah. And that is the end of Vlogmas Day 10. We hope you enjoy. We are going to redo the fried Oreos again because I saw something in the ingredients that was messed up, which is why it probably turned out the way it did, because I honestly did not like it. I bit it, as you saw, and I literally put it back on the plate. It was not appealing to me whatsoever. Complete fail. But the food was excellent. So, but I'm going to end this right here. And I'm just going to leave it as that. See you on Vlogmas Day 11, guys. Peace.